Learning a programming language is a rewarding endeavor that requires a structured approach and consistent effort. Start by choosing a language that aligns with your goals and interests, such as Python for versatility or JavaScript for web development. Utilize online resources like interactive coding platforms, tutorials, and documentation to grasp the fundamentals. Practice coding regularly, working on small projects to apply your knowledge and build problem-solving skills. Join coding communities and forums to seek help, share experiences, and learn from others. Embrace a hands-on approach by tackling real-world challenges, as this reinforces your understanding and boosts confidence. Additionally, explore advanced topics gradually, staying curious and staying updated with industry trends. Patience is key. Programming is a skill that develops over time, so celebrate small victories and learn from setbacks to continuously improve.